We have a lot to discuss and a lot to cover in this video. We will be discussing XRPs and their cost, two distinct threads that dissect the price, the charts, our current focus, and our future direction will be examined. I recently posted a topic about ETFs and how they affect XRP's pricing. In the XRP space, we have one of the most, if not the largest, legends. He announced his departure from Twitter in a tweet this morning. People, it will be sorry to see him go. Now without further ado, take a seat and unwind. Let's get right in at $84,273 for Bitcoin. Ethereum is presently trading at $1,991, up 0.69% over the last day, with both USDT and USDC maintaining its dollar pegs and XRP maintaining its fourth place ranking at $2.38. It is currently up 2.12%. It hasn't moved at all, has it? It's been stuck here, sort of. As we previously stated, the range between $2.50 and $3 was insane. Up there is a lot of opposition. We put it to the test. We sprinted into it. We couldn't make it through. Will it occur 100% of the time? Don't worry. Don't be afraid. The bull run is on its way, you see. We hope that prices would begin to rise by the end of this month or, at the latest, by the end of April. We're hoping for the push-up. I do think we have one more dip in store for Bitcoin. It's going to be unexpected, in my opinion. The longer we remain in a range for an asset or for the entire asset class, crypto as a whole, the more probable it is that we will witness a decline in the markets. This is my opinion, but I have observed it in the field of cryptocurrency. You go now. Hogan, Jeremy. I'm sorry to see my man leave. A lovely photo of him and his pool was taken by his wife. I'm not sure what they're missing. Water in the backdrop, perhaps. Lovely home. He woke up in Orlando, which is likely a lake. According to Jeremy Hogan, my time on X is coming to a close, dear friend. When I viewed the report about the Ripple lawsuit 5 years ago on Christmas of 2020, I had no idea that it would be a Christmas present that would lead me to unexpected places. I appreciate you following along with me and believing in me the entire time. All I can say is that I am proud of myself for seeing it through to the conclusion and doing my best to keep you updated and, hopefully, amused, which he did. It's time for me to concentrate on other things, possibly some new experiences. Come find me if you ever need me. If you haven't already, locate a good woman and hug her close to you. I wish you all the best in life. My financial advice is this. Finally, my dear friends, the fellowship in Middle Earth comes to an end on the seashore. Leave in peace. I will miss the man. He got us all through some really difficult periods, you see. He dismantled the lawsuit. He produced his own videos. We were amused by him. For us to comprehend everything, he explained everything in detail. I firmly feel that many more individuals would not have survived this journey if he and John Deaton hadn't kept us informed and everyone in such a positive frame of mind. The hardest test for XRP was surviving that journey, which we have all successfully completed. David Sachs, a software billionaire, recently met in secret with the UAE's royal family to discuss the future of cryptocurrency. According to sources, this has the potential to completely alter the way we utilize digital currency. There will be game-changing movements soon thanks to the Silicon Valley legend and powerful players from the Middle East. Only high-ranking officials were permitted entry to the meeting due to its extreme exclusivity. What implications does this have for Bitcoin? For cryptocurrency? For you? People, are you aware of the work that Ripple has been conducting in the United Arab Emirates while all of this nonsense was going on in the United States and corruption was harming both the company Ripple and the cryptocurrency XRP? Ripple just put the business on pause without stopping. The UAE was one of the largest, and they were out there developing, forming alliances, and growing. Additionally, the UAE claims that the Ripple Middle East and Africa Regional Office is situated within the DIFC, and in November 2023, the DIFC authorized the use of XRP within the center. Chad's like, don't forget XRP. Since then, authorized DIFC virtual asset companies have been able to include XRP in their virtual asset offerings. By encouraging blockchain innovation in Dubai, the milestone is creating new economic value. This is enormous. Ripple is ahead of the game. That's what sets Ripple apart from the other blockchain and cryptocurrency businesses. Ripple just expanded their business outside of the US and into other countries, while the other companies were preoccupied with the situation in the US. They built everything up. They formed alliances because they were aware that entangling the US was the final crucial component. And now we are. We also receive important news from BlackRock. According to BlackRock, it is the biggest asset manager in the world. They view Ethereum as the future of the financial industry. They're placing large bets on ETH, spearheading the digital revolution with DeFi, tokenization, and stable currency. Wall Street pays attention to what BlackRock has to say. How accurate is that? Your sign is this. ETH is going to blow up. Considering that the price of Ethereum is currently around $1,991 or about $2,000, you can see that I still have money on the side. Since I do think that Bitcoin will drop back down to $65 to $75, I am waiting. That does not preclude the possibility of a front run of that $88,000 before it declines again. Recall that to verify a breakout, Bitcoin must rise above $95 per share. I will either believe it or buy Ethereum in the $1,500 range if we do decline again, which I expect we will. The challenge, which will start with ETH and range from $5,000 to $100,000, will then begin. After that, Stuart Alderati gave us this. It states that Ripple sent their response to Commissioner Hester Peirce today, which was yesterday. There must be a way out of here, according to her statement from February 21st, requesting public feedback on the crypto taxonomy guidelines. That Dylan line goes on. The misunderstanding is excessive. There is no relief for me. The previous administration used confusion to cover up its legal violations. We implore the SEC's Crypto Task Force to remain committed, adhere to its statutory boundaries, get back to the fundamentals, and ultimately provide relief through clarity. In terms of Ripple v. SEC, we achieved our goals when the entire litigation and appeal were dismissed. After that, we'll see what Ripple has to say about the fine. However, let's face it, cryptocurrency is here to stay. Crypto is here to stay. We have been advocating for and desire regulatory clarity, and XRP provides it. This is the thread I posted on XRP and ETFs. That will be discussed in the upcoming video. He said, "You want to know why I'm so bullish?" as I tried to dive into eGrad Crypto's chart. He has XRP trading at $850, $1,376, and $27 at this point. Look, I am completely on board with those 8 to 13 targets and numbers right now. Is 27 possible? In crypto, a lot needs to happen. To rotate in, we need a lot of money. The market capitalization of XRP would surpass $1 trillion. 100% is feasible. However, unlike in 8 to 13, RIP is cautious and safe. However, a move must be made immediately. This bull run is going to pick up, in my opinion. For April, May, and June, I would most likely predict that it will occur after Q2. In my opinion, the sooner Bitcoin reaches these lower levels, between 65 and 75, the sooner the bull run will restart. But I think it's just sideways till those numbers are reached. We simply remain in the range. There won't be any enormous rises, in my opinion. 95K, that is where Bitcoin will break out. Up to that point, everything is noise. XRP must rise above $3. Between that, everything is also noise. Build up while you can. Folks, the bull run is still going strong, so buy the dips while they last. Prepare for a huge 2025.